If you are looking for a durable and elegant flooring solution, look no further than our SPC flooring in the EIR wood grain series. This series features a realistic wood texture that is embossed in register, meaning that the surface pattern matches the grain of the wood. The result is a stunning visual effect that mimics the natural beauty of hardwood. Our SPC flooring is made of stone plastic composite, a material that is waterproof, fireproof, and wear-resistant. It is suitable for any indoor environment, such as living rooms, bedrooms, kitchens, and bathrooms. It is also easy to install and maintain, with a click-lock system and a UV coating that protects the surface from scratches and stains. We offer two types of SPC flooring in the EIR wood grain series, T9017, 4 mm, and H6022, 6 mm. Both types have a size of 1220 mm x 184 mm and a color of khaki, which is a versatile and neutral shade that can match any decor style. The only difference is the thickness, which affects the sound insulation and comfort level of the flooring. You can choose the thickness according to your preference and budget. We are HH Flooring Group, a professional flooring manufacturer with 20 years of experience. We produce our own SPC flooring in our factory, which ensures high quality and competitive price. We also provide OEM and ODM services, which means that we can customize the flooring according to your specifications and requirements. If you are interested in our SPC flooring in the EIR wood grain series, please contact us today. We will be happy to provide you with more information and samples. We look forward to hearing from you and establishing a long-term business relationship with you.